Today, we're going to be talking about the top freelance sites for beginners. If you're just getting started with your freelance career, these websites will help you find more clients seeking your services so that you can grow your freelance business. Let's take a look. Upwork. This site is perfect for beginner freelancers because there are so many jobs available for practically any skill set. Freelancers use tokens called connects to bid for different jobs offered by clients. You get 80 of these connects for free, and chances are pretty high that you'll be able to land at least one client with that quantity. From copywriting to virtual assistant gigs to graphic design, there is a relatively wide range of jobs available on this platform. The user base is sufficiently large enough that you shouldn't have any trouble finding work if you stick with it. Fiverr. This platform has a very unique business model. Freelancers promote their services by creating their own customized packages that they then advertise to attract clients. The site's called Fiverr because a lot of these packages are offered starting at just $5. Clients are able to use the site's search bar to look for freelancers who fit their needs and also work within their price range. A broad range of freelancers have found success on Fiverr, including voiceover artists, blog writers, programmers, and video editors. Freelancer.com. After registering with this platform, you're given 8 free bids before you have to start paying a membership fee. Clients looking for workers to do jobs like data entry, marketing, sales, SEO writing, and product sourcing list their work on a marketplace-like board. Freelancers then make bids offering their services while explaining why they think they're most qualified for the job. This is one of the best freelancing sites for beginners who have yet to establish a client base because they offer a dedicated team of advisors to help you find work faster. Guru. On this site, freelancers create a profile and then clients can search for the right workers to take on their desired tasks. It's a great platform for freelance writers, programmers, digital artists, educators, marketers, and engineers. Thousands of jobs are posted daily, and Guru only takes a 5 to 9% cut of your payment after completing a task. Flexjobs. This site acts as a portal to help you find freelance work with flexible hours. After signing up, you gain unlimited access to the job board. Creating a profile is quick and easy, and most of the time, you'll be contacted by potential employers reasonably quickly. iWriter. For all of you aspiring freelance writers out there, this site is one of the best places online to gain experience and start earning money almost immediately. Expect to write things like web content, product descriptions, and articles for a wide variety of clients. After submitting a sample of your writing in response to a prompt, you'll gain access to the platform's job postings board. There, you're free to choose what sort of writing you want to do. Over time, you'll rise through the ranks in the platform's writing tiers, starting at standard, and then moving to premium, then elite, and then finally elite plus. You're able to earn more as you navigate into these higher tiers, and once you've gotten into the elite plus tier, you can earn up to $80 per 500 words. Since you choose what you want to write on depending on your area of expertise, you can work as much or as little as you want on a given day. Thumbtack. This platform offers freelancers and clients a straightforward and instant way to connect. What sets Thumbtack apart is how they focus on local communities and small businesses. It's free to join, and they even offer protections if you end up with a job that's not a good match. While the service is free to sign up for, you will have to pay for your client leads. Each lead starts at $1.50 and increases depending on factors like competition. 99 Designs. Just as iWriter is an excellent platform for dedicated freelance writers who are just getting started, this platform is geared towards graphic designers of any experience level. Freelancers in over 90 design categories are connected with clients from all over the globe. Freelancers can either work with clients directly with payments made up front, or you can choose to compete with other freelancers in contests, earning both money and new clients in the process. The major drawback for this platform, though, is their $100 intro fee that gets deducted from the first $500 you earn from your clients. There's also a sliding fee based upon your designer level. But where this platform shines is their focus on encouraging long-term client-designer connections. If you're just getting started, check out our previous video on how to kickstart your career with your very first freelance writing job. We'll see you in the next video.